A National Youth Service Corps NYSC member, Brown-Ofoeme Ebubechukwu Prosper, has renovated 4 dilapidated classroom blocks at Community Primary School Swali in Yenagoa local government area of Bayelsa State. The project, which forms part of his personal community development service, CDS, was inspired by a harrowing first-hand experience at the school during a rainy visit earlier this year. Brown Ebubechukwu, who is serving with the Nigeria Police Force Bayelsa State Command Headquarters in Yenagoa, initially planned an anti-cultism campaign for his NYSC project, but the visit to Community Primary School Swali changed the course of his service here. He said he was disturbed when he saw children learning in flooded classrooms with no roofs, ceilings, doors or windows. Ebubechukwu said many of the children were soaked, some stood, while others tried to shield their notebooks from the rain. He said the event was a heartbreaking sight. According to him, the experience left a lasting impression that compelled him to act. The corps member said after consulting with the headmistress and engaging with members of the community, he put aside his original plan and began mobilizing resources for a renovation project. The renovation included re-roofing of 4 classroom blocks, installation of PVC ceilings, installation of 9 doors and 24 windows, and total repainting of the classrooms and administrative office. His project has drawn commendations from NYSC officials and local leaders who described it as a shining example of the impact youth can have in community development.